Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 11. It is a very common problem, and I can understand it is really annoying. We are going to fix it by only very few simple steps, and then definitely you will be a happy camper. So the very first step here is to look at a keyboard and press Control, Shift, and Escape together. This will open up the task manager for you. You can also press Ctrl Alt Delete and then open the task manager. And by doing a right click on the start icon and you can open the task manager. So once the task manager is opened, we need to go to the processes tab and we need to find the Windows Explorer, and we just need to do a right click and then we need to click on restart. Once you do that, we will move to the next step. The next step is to open the File Explorer and we need to clear the cache. Sometimes we do a lot of things in the computer and it creates a lot of cache in the File Explorer as well. So to clear File Explorer cache, you can simply go to this icon right there where you have the three dots. Click on that and then go to Options, and here we have this option under Privacy, Restore Default. Just above Restore Default we have this Clear File Explorer History. We can click on that and then we can restore to defaults. That also works. And here again, once you're done, once you have cleared, click on Apply and OK. This will help you a lot. And now try to open your File Explorer and you will be able to open it. Now the next step is to repair the Windows. There could be a corruption in the computer. So we are going to run a Microsoft command, which is system file checker sfc scan. And to do that, we need to type cmd, run as administrator, say yes, and here type sfc space / scan now. I'll mention these commands in the description and you can copy from there as well. Once you have typed it, hit enter. This will begin the system scan and it will repair your computer. And once this is done, we will move to the next step and we need to run one more command, which is a DISM command. So type cmd, run as administrator, say yes, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. This is also a Microsoft command which repairs your computer if there is any corruption. And you can simply hit enter. This will do the scan and this might take 2 to 5 minutes. Once this is done, restart the computer is a must. And also I would recommend to update your Windows, and if not, for most of us this will fix the problem. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not, and if yes, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be glad if you write a comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.